Saka ito sa date talaga.
Si Mayor Vico, tsaka si Magalong.
This is why what we do. Because we want to see God-loving servants uniting and advancing a just, righteous, and transformative government. That's the key to progressing our country. So see just and righteous. Good government. That's the reason why Mayor
President
Magalong
at saka
is
Vice
so
na yan.
passionate about good governance. So that we will have it. Okay. I'm from Mindanao. Hindi ako fan ni Duterte. Hindi rin ako fan ni Marcos. My concern, or our concern, is for this country, the next generation, what will happen to us. Now, our utang line is almost already 17 trillion pesos. And that is 62% of our GDP already. The limit, economically speaking, is only 60%. We have already breached the standard na 60%, 62% na tayo. Utang tayo ng utang every year yan. Of the 6.3 trillion, about 2 trillion
Yayaman tayo guys. Yayaman.
Because there are my friend. Ang isang nakita namin, we saw that the current teachers right now, talagang sorry to say, ang baba talaga ng standards. You agree?
Yeah.
Diba? Oh, you're a teacher, diba, ma'am?
Second
Diba, ma'am, you can attest, diba, ibang-iba. No? And ito yung mga, yeah, they're the ones na nagtuturo. So, yung kasama ko namin sa staff, si Nina, Castillo, ang dami daw nag-sign up. Ang dami nag-sign up. So, sinasabi ko na yun as an example. Baka you can think of 4 brilliant ways of